the secret that fan manufacturers don't want you to know. In this video, we will explore the secrets inside the electric fan bearings and guide you on how to repair and replace them with the Tip for You DIY channel. Everything has its lifespan. If you don't know how to preserve it, it will gradually become damaged. Therefore, operating at the right capacity, using it for a reasonable period of time, and regularly maintaining it when there is a problem is the best way to avoid dangers such as the fan blades flying off or having to spend effort and money to replace it. Electric fans are the main anti-heat device in summer because they are simple and economical. However, improper use can have negative effects on health. For example, sitting in front of a fan for too long can lead to colds and stomachaches. The appropriate time to sit in front of a fan each time should be about 30 to 60 minutes. In short, the fan is an indispensable device in our daily life. When used properly, it will be effective and save electricity. But remember, using the fan too much is not good. This fan is designed with a steel stand. It seems the manufacturer has kept this secret without revealing to us the interesting thing right after. In the previous video sections, I posted videos about electric fans, and you guys watched them and supported them a lot and got a lot of feedback. Some of you suggested that I make a video about electric fans with clamp bearings like this for you to watch, and you can do it at home. I made this video for the purpose of instruction, not for the purpose of destruction. If you find it interesting, please share it widely with your friends and relatives. And you can give me a like, a subscription, and a comment. You can write comments with any characters or symbols in the comment section below. I welcome and sincerely thank you. I have two plastic bearing brackets bought together in the previous video posted. This plastic is heat resistant and fire resistant, very useful. I will try to install it here. This plastic bearing bracket I installed for another type of fan. If you haven't seen it after watching this video, please go back to the channel to see the previous video I did. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I will mount this 608Z bearing here to make the fan run at higher speed and last longer. If you use the bearing as designed by the manufacturer, you must lubricate it regularly, otherwise your fan will gradually get stuck without being detected in time, causing overheating and reducing the life of the fan. For the bearing, we will be able to detect it more easily when it comes to maintenance and replacement, because it will cause more noise, forcing us to stop using it and replace it. Its advantage is that it does not need to be lubricated frequently, it is more durable, it can last for several years or more, it does not heat the copper coil, so it will never be damaged again. It seems that the fan manufacturer has considered the option of using bearings for this fan. But for some reason, for commercial reasons for example, they want us to use a fan with a shorter lifespan, and when it breaks, we have to buy a new one. They have designed this bearing holder for us. So when we buy the bearings, we only need a few basic steps to be able to assemble them successfully. Everyone should choose bearings with high rotation speed. When used, it will significantly reduce noise. The bearing and bracket, I feel, are very sturdy. Steel will dissipate heat faster and more efficiently than plastic brackets. What do you think? Please let me know, thanks. Right now, everyone just needs to skillfully align it to the center and press the 4 iron clamps tightly. After a while of tweaking, I'm done. Now let's test it to see if it works smoothly. Let's take a look again to see if there are any mistakes in this part, what the gaps and center balance will be like, and that's part of the job done. Now I will proceed to the other one. It will be a little different from the first one, and some notes when assembling. Everyone needs to pay close attention to the video. Note, when assembling, tighten the screws properly so as not to deform the bearing's iron bracket. Once the iron bracket is accidentally dented, it must be replaced or it will cause very unpleasant noise and the project will be considered a failure.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same.
And this would be an example of improper carelessness. People see it is severely dented, so this bearing is discarded. This note is very important. Everyone pay attention to do it carefully. Now I will assemble and test run to see how smooth the bearing will be. Then we will test to see how my fan will run when the blades and protection are finished. Please be patient and wait for my results in this project.
What if the years turn into gold? The longer we live, yeah, the We could be 100 miles apart, but it's never far. Yeah, you show me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only.
Power up the fan and run it on no load to see what the noise level will be like. Oh my god, it's really amazing beyond my expectations. What do you think? Now I'll finish this fan and test the wind speed for everyone to see. Wait for me to assemble it, it will be quick. Okay, now let's see how smooth the bearing is when I turn off the fan. Let's see how many seconds it takes for it to stop completely. This bearing is new, so it's not very smooth yet. Run it continuously for about an hour, and it will be completely smooth, and you will be surprised right away.